This is a quick video on using this screen in Desmos. So here it says click the circle below each number to see the graph of the parent function, right? So if I wanted to see f of x equal to x, or a linear function, all I do is click this and the graph will come on. What's nice about Desmos too is if I wanted to change this, right, I am holding my cursor over the green circle, and now I could change it to a dotted line, or even little teeny dots, or I could change the color of the line as well. So here, if you want to play around, if you forgot functions or you want to see all these functions, I can turn these all on at the same time, or I can turn some off. A couple of other things to work with in Desmos. Here is our square root function. To write the equation of a square root function in Desmos, let me come back up to here, right? You can either, if this is not turned on, turn this keypad on, and you'll see that the square root function symbol is right here. And then you could put square root of x. That's one way to do it. Or I just remember it's square root and start typing SQRT, and it pops up automatically as well. Then we also have the cube root, e to the x, natural log, and the last 1 over x, and the last one down here is absolute value, right? The ABS is the absolute value. That to me is the easiest way to type it. Just type in ABS and then put in whatever variable, or if you want to add any parameters in there. But you can also, if you want to see the symbol, right, again, notice here in our keypad is the absolute value symbol. All right, so I can delete all this and just click on the absolute value symbol, put in my X, and then turn it on, and try turning it on again, and there's our absolute value. But really, you're just using this page right now for seeing if you can remember what does a cube root look like. Is that what you were thinking of? Hopefully it is, because these are all the functions that you should be able to visualize the minute you hear their name. And that's the video for this page in Desmos.